Hello everyone. I'm making okonomiyaki for lunch today. I usually make a video of making a bento for my daughter, but she's on summer vacation. I'm making modanyaki. Modanyaki is the okonomiyaki with yakisoba in it. Yakisoba is a Japanese fried noodles. First, I'm gonna cut cabbage into 1 to 1.5 centimeter squares. Um, some people cut it just slice, and it's okay as well. It depends on your preferences. But if you are making a Hiroshima-style okonomiyaki, you always need to cut the cabbage into slices. I put them in the water to wash it. And I'm gonna make a kiji, which is butter for okonomiyaki. I put flour, plain flour, bread flour, and I put dashi powder, dashi stock powder. Uh, I use this to make like a miso soup, but when I make a miso soup, I don't cut it open. I just put it into the water as it is, and make dashi. But for okonomiyaki, I just put everything inside into the flour because I think the dashi gets stronger if I just put everything, all the powder in it. If you have access to okonomiyaki flour mix, then you don't need to put any dashi, but just water. I'm going to prepare yakisoba, Japanese fried noodle. First, I'm going to boil the bean sprout. This is a mung bean sprout, ryokto moyashi, in boiled water with vinegar. Vinegar will reduce the smell of a bean sprout that some people don't like. Bean sprout is ready. This is yakisoba noodles. It's a steam noodle made with flour. This is kome abura, which is rice oil. I'm going to fry them until the outside of the noodles become brown. Difference between yakisoba noodles and ramen noodles. Yakisoba noodles are steamed. I'm gonna put some sake, nihonshu, which is rice wine. To steam it, make it a little bit soft, easy to handle. You hear the voice of my youngest daughter in the background. She wants to get my attention. So I'm gonna brown a little bit outside of the noodles to make it crispy, and put some soy sauce. I put back the bean sprout, and this is very simple yakisoba recipe. And if you're interested more, I've made a yakisoba video before, so you can take a look. This is the chuno sauce, or you can use tonkatsu sauce, or you can even use okonomiyaki sauce, whatever you prefer. This is done. About the sauce that I put in, I explain in details in yakisoba video, so please take a look. My daughter is singing. Happy girl. I'm gonna make okonomiyaki now. I'm gonna put 2 scoops of butter, add green cabbage, and 1 egg. Now I'm gonna mix this, but you mix lightly and you incorporate air into the butter. Don't mix too much. So mix it lightly will make the okonomiyaki very fluffy. This is sliced pork belly, and on top of it I put mixture. You cook until the pork becomes crispy. A lot of oil will come out from the pork belly, so make sure to take all the excess oil. Now I'm gonna add cooked yakisoba and 1 egg, and break rid of it, and flip the okonomiyaki on top of yakisoba. And it's almost done. You can see that it's very soft and fluffy. And I add chuno sauce, which I use to make yakisoba. And if you have access to like okonomiyaki sauce, then you can use it as well. And we put mayonnaise, which is mayonnaise. And I'm gonna put aonori. Aonori is a dried seaweed powder. And if you don't have an access to aonori, then you can just cut nori, regular nori, into small pieces. This is katsuobushi, dried bonito flakes. And this is done. We have many different ways of making okonomiyaki, and also many different things that you can put in okonomiyaki. Okonomi means what you like. So you can add what you like, whatever you like, in okonomiyaki. We have seafood okonomiyaki, which add like shrimps and squid and stuff like that. And you can add different types of vegetables as well. But you need to put green cabbage. I think that's a must. Other than that, you can put whatever you want. And okonomiyaki that I made today is a very simple one, a very good one. So I hope you try, and if you have any questions, then you let me know. Okay? Thank you very much for watching my video today. And if you like my video, then please subscribe. I usually make a bento for my daughter, but she's on summer vacation. So from September, I will put more bento video. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.